I'm Rachel from Slipstick. Our new Gorilla Outdoor Range is weatherproof and the perfect way to slide furniture and protect your deck or patio. Does your deck get damaged from your hard, worn furniture feet? Our new Gorilla Outdoor Range is weatherproof and the perfect way to slide furniture and protect your deck or patio. These are our threaded round glides. These protectors come in 4 different thread sizes, 6 and 8 millimeters and 1/4 and 5/16 of an inch. The specially formulated glide is hard wearing and super smooth, so it protects your deck and slides easily. Does your deck get damaged from your hard furniture feet? Simply unscrew the existing foot and screw in the new glide. Easy to install Gorilla Outdoor protectors install in seconds. No more noise and your deck is protected. All Slipstick Gorilla Outdoor products are backed by our 1-year warranty.